So as you guys can see, I'm obviously in the studio space, and excuse the echo because the room is practically empty. What I'm doing today is that I'm shooting digitals for a model, Suadu, sorry. I'm shooting digitals for Suadu, and I'm going to introduce you guys to her in a second. Again, digitals are one of the most important set of pictures that you guys can present to your agencies. Your agencies then present it to their clients, because this is like your most natural look, and this is how the clients can actually tell what the model looks like, right? Without the makeup, without the retouching, and all that kind of stuff. So let me introduce you guys to Suadu. Take two. Let me introduce you guys to Suadu. Can you tell us where you're from and like what your goal is here today?
Hello everyone, my name is Suadu. I am from New York. I'm here in California to shoot my digitals with fresh pepper.
Great. And as you guys can see, I had her wear black. Let me just show you guys what she's wearing. I had her wear black for several reasons. One, because black is really slimming and it complements the physique. And also when you look at model digitals, a lot of models just tend to usually just wear white and black. So Suadu is wearing all black today, and I'm going to be shooting her against the wall next to the window. So as I said, I'm going to be shooting Suadu next to the wall, close to the window. Couple of tips. One, you want to try shooting your subject or shooting your digitals close to a window, because the window is going to give you a really nice natural light in. It's going to fall nice on your cheekbones and your face and just make everything look really nice. If you can, it's best to avoid using flash, because flash is going to create harsh shadows and it's going to make it look a little bit artificial, where your digitals are supposed to look really natural, like it could have been taken from a cell phone even. I do have a flash set up here just because I want to kind of play with the lighting a little bit. I have it pointed up to the ceiling because it's going to bounce, the flash is going to bounce down and create a nice, soft, even feel on her face. But I'm going to start off not using it because I don't think we're going to need it with all these, with all the windows and natural lighting that we're getting in here. So we're going to start without it at first. Suadu, you're not wearing makeup, or if you are, it looks like you're not wearing anything. Are you wearing makeup, yes or no?
No, I'm just wearing a little bit of foundation.
Okay, so she has just a little bit of foundation. As you guys can see, it's very clean, very natural, not over the top, and that's how it should be for your digitals. So for the digitals, there are 4 types of shots that I'm going to get. One is a beauty close-up of Suadu. The next is going to be sort of like a side portrait shot, and then you look towards the camera, like right there. And then I'm going to get a full body shot, and then a 3/4 shot, which is just going to be from her head to about her thighs. So those are the 4 shots that make up your digitals, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to have you come just a little bit this way. So now this is going to be the full body shot. That's what we're going to get first. So just be relaxed. Don't stand there like it's like a mug shot or anything. Still, you know, you're still a model, right? So just kind of like, just relax. Switch the balance in your hips so you can go from left to right, and just make it really natural and then direct to the camera. Okay, it's a little stiff. And as you guys can see, I'm shooting from a low angle, because shooting from a low angle and shooting up, that's gonna make her legs look a lot longer than it actually is, and it's gonna make her look tall. You're actually tall, right? You're what, 5'10"?
Almost 5'10".
5'9".
Yeah.
So she's 5'9" already, she's pretty tall, but I wanna even exaggerate that even more, so that's why I'm shooting from a lower angle. Yeah. So now that was a full body shot. Let's move to the 3/4. So for the 3/4, you can fold your arms if you want to. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Make sure that's looking good. Looks fire. So we did the full body shot. We did the 3/4 shot. Now we're gonna do the profile before we move to the beauty shot, right? The beauty portraits. So for the profile, it doesn't have to be like directly profile. It's a little bit like almost in between, right? You split the difference between straight to the camera and at a 90-degree angle, right? So just find that 45-degree angle. So guys, as I said, I had the flash set up. I don't even need the flash. These pictures look really nice with the natural light that's coming in. Right now it's about 4:30 in the afternoon. We're in Los Angeles. Sunset, I believe, is probably around like 6:45 or something. So the lighting right now is perfect. It's not too harsh. It's just giving you that nice, even feel, I guess, right? We got the full body, we got the 3/4, we got the portrait shot. Now we're going to move to the close-up beauty shot. So for this, I'm going to move much closer to the subject. And again, what's important to remember is it's all about the eyes, right? When the camera is so close up on your face, it's all about the eyes. Be fierce, smize if you must. You do know how to smize, right? Yes. Cool, she knows how to smize. So be fierce, smize if you will, and just work your angles and almost seduce the camera. For this one, I'm actually going to change my lens because I want to get close without being too close, right? So I'm going to zoom in, punch in, and get that really tight beauty shot without being invasive to the subject. So this is a 50. I'm going to change into a telephoto lens. So guys, that's how you shoot digitals. So I'm gonna upload these photos to the computer and slice them into the video so you guys can see what we've done here. Again, this is Sawadu. Thank you. She's a commercial print model in New York. Currently looking for representation at the moment, correct?
Yes, in LA, Miami, both.
In LA, Miami, New York, wherever you guys are, if you're an agent watching this video and you like her look, feel free to hit her up. I'm gonna leave her Instagram handle in the description box down below.
Thank you.
If you guys have questions, drop them in the comment box down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification if you're watching for the first time. I'll see you guys in my next one.